Hello Sizziers! In this tutorial, you'll learn about the Constraints feature. With Constraints, you can easily make adaptive screens for different devices. Using the example of a square and a circle, we'll show how the constraints work, but this can be applied to more complex structures. Let's get started! In the first picture, you can see how the circle is stick to the top left corner. For this setting, go to the Constraints and set the horizontal constraints to left and vertical constraints to top. In the second picture, the constraints are set to right horizontally and top vertically. The third example shows how left and right and top constraints work together. When frame is stretched, the circle inside it retains its position at the top and stretches on both sides as it expands. Left and bottom constraints fix the circle in the bottom left corner when the frame is resized. If you set the constraints to right and bottom, the circle will be stick to the bottom right corner of the square. Select center if you want the bottom to stay in the center of the frame. You can use the settings in more complex layouts as in this example. We will tell more about constraints in the next videos. Thanks for watching, bye!